Let's do the laundry with me. This is a basket of dirty clothes. Firstly, I will sort out the white and the colors. This is a washing machine. I open the door. I load the laundry. I close the door. Next, I will add detergent. I also add a fabric softener. I press the button to turn it on. I choose the correct setting. I press the start button to start washing. When the machine has finished the washing, I'll take the laundry out. But they are wet, so I'm gonna dry them. And now I'm going to hang up the clothes to dry them. Take the dry clothes off and put them in the basket. Carry the basket inside. Fold my clothes. Put them away. I don't fold my shirts and my dresses. I use the hanger to hang them up in the closet. I put my socks and my underwear in the drawer.